Hey YouTube, thanks for clicking on this video. Today we are actually going to buy some stocks on my Robinhood app. I've been trying to buy this one, or actually looking into buying it for quite some time now. I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy a stock on Robinhood as well. It's just the reason why I'm buying this one today. I might buy two, we will see. So just to make this a very quick video, I'm going to put my screen somewhere over here like I did in my last video. And if you like this content and want to see me actually grow my Robinhood portfolio, please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so when I do post a video, you're able to see that I've posted it. Again, I will make more videos of this of me buying stocks, $100 to $300 at a time. And it could be one, it could be a few, just depends on the stock. And I will go into the reasons why I plan on buying, or why I'm buying that stock exactly. So it kind of shows you the reasons and kind of helps you out when you're investing. And I'll kind of go through a little bit of it with you right now. So let's just jump right into my phone. Okay, so as you can see from my Robinhood portfolio, I'm up a little bit more than my last video. I tanked a little bit today. It's actually, I think this week it's been a little rough. Mostly, I don't know if you guys have been up to date or looking at stocks, but if you have invested in Netflix, I'm sure you know they went down quite a bit. And I'll just show you this. There's a little bit of a side note here. Let's see, Netflix. Yeah, so they've went down 15%, $56. That is a lot. I'm almost actually back to where I bought the stock at, which I might potentially even buy more. We will see. I actually bought it around $285 in my TD Ameritrade account. So overall, I'm still up, but it is apparently I thought they said that the numbers were actually higher. Sorry about that. That they were they just came out with the quarterly earnings. They were higher, but I think something about the amount of people that were, like, the amount of people watching or added, something around that area. I haven't read into it yet. I need to, but I actually might buy some more since they've dropped this much here. If you look at overall in a year, I mean, they are going down. Except if we look right here in December, they were around 242. Like I said, the first time I bought it was on my TD Ameritrade on 285. Again, this is a whole side note. I know that's not what you guys came here for, but I just wanted to show you guys that in this past week has been a little rough. However, we're going to get into the stocks that I am going to purchase. I've already bought or transferred the money into my account a couple minutes ago. Luckily, I have up to $1,000, and I think when you sign up as well, you have up to $1,000 instant access to the money, as long as make sure you have the money in your account. But you are able to use it instantly up to $1,000. If you have the gold, you do get a little bit more. I think it's based on how much money you have in your account, in your Robinhood account. So the stocks that we're actually going to purchase today, I've been thinking about this. Actually, maybe I'll reconsider. I'm going to go all the ones that I'm watching right now. Target. I'm going to buy Target. McDonald's. I'm going to buy McDonald's. Not today, but looking at it, I thought I knew, but I'm just double checking real quick. Nvidia. I do want to buy some Nvidia too. Dang. I might have to buy some more sooner than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna make Nvidia. Looks good. Okay. A lot of red. I like buying, and this is kind of it's kind of weird. I like buying the stocks when they are red, opposed when they're green, because then I feel as if they do go up. And this is a little bit of a me thing. You really shouldn't do this. You do want to buy a stock when it is down, but just because it's down that day doesn't mean you should be buying it. Just a side note, I personally prefer to buy it when it's in the red. I feel better. And again, you shouldn't really use your emotions when buying stocks. I know this. It's very bad. It's something that I like to do. So don't follow that rule right there. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy Coca-Cola. I'm just looking at it real quick. 1 week it is down. A month it is up, not much. Overall, I remember in my last video I was talking about this right here. In the year it's went up. That's crazy. Perfect. Coca-Cola. Other stocks that help in a heat wave. Coca-Cola launch cost-effective products several markets. Perfect. And yeah, so we're going to buy some Coca-Cola today. I don't know when they pay dividends. Available, expected. 7/23. Oh, that's soon. Okay. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna buy some Coca-Cola. I think that they're gonna pay some dividends this month, but you have to buy when you buy a stock that pays dividends, you have to buy it prior to a certain time. Don't know when Coca-Cola is. I think it's supposed to be sometime in June. If you buy in early June, then you could get dividends. But I'm just buying Coca-Cola. One main reason is because of the dividends is why I'm buying Coca-Cola. I do plan on buying more stocks that pay dividends. I don't buy a stock purely because it pays dividends, but in this case, this is really one of the reasons why I do want to buy more stocks that pay dividends monthly. Not necessarily that stock itself monthly, but stocks that will pay me out, where I have a portfolio where I get some money every month from dividends. I don't want to make a dividend portfolio. It's just kind of nice knowing that you have some money being dropped into the account, and again, it adds up over time. Then I can reinvest that into other stocks later. You see where I'm going with there? Okay, awesome. So we are going to buy, how much buying power? I think I only have enough. I'm gonna buy two. You know what? I'm gonna buy 2 Coke. I have available the 171. So we're gonna buy, review, swipe up. That's all you have to do. Purchase. Okay. I'm gonna go. Oh no, not right now. Perfect. I should get a notification. It's got one on my Apple Watch from my email. And then we are going to buy one more, and as long as I got enough. Let's see. Double checking. Uber. Ooh. You know what? Uber. I'm still a little skeptical in Uber. I like Uber. Just I don't have a credit card. Side note. But we are going to buy Spirit Airlines. I thought they paid dividends. They did not. But again, I'm not buying it because they pay dividends. I'm buying it because overall, I believe they're down 3 months in a year. They're up 5 year. Okay. I believe in Spirit Airlines just because it is budget related, but I believe that a lot of people, when a recession hits, will use cheaper airlines. That's what they're gonna be looking for. I still believe in it. So I'm gonna buy this one. I'll get into more in depth of reasons why probably later. Boom. And that's how easy it is to buy stocks on Robinhood. And it's really easy to transfer money to. You just link up your bank. Once it's linked and it's verified, you can deposit money. Like I said, it allows you $1,000. So I wanted to throw $1,000 in today. I could use it instantly. I don't have to wait 2 to 3 days. I think with my TD Ameritrade account, I had to wait about 2 days, 2 business days. But it's just really annoying to wait that long, especially when we're in a time where we're so used to things being kind of instant, especially online. So that right there just shows you, again, how easy it is. The stocks that I just bought, I know that I spoke about buying these in my past video. I just really wanted to kind of show you how easy it is to buy. The reasons, mostly why I'm buying Coca-Cola is for the dividends. It's a stock that's raised dividends for I think over 50 years now. I'm pretty sure they're considered a dividend king. I'll make a whole video about dividends, how you can calculate how much you're gonna get, where to find how much money you'll be paid throughout the. It'd be nice if I stopped my phone recording. How to calculate the money you'll make, when they'll pay out, what to look for, what the ratio actually means. Because if you look at the dividend ratio, how to determine, because sometimes if there's a high ratio, that's sometimes purely what people look at. You shouldn't look exactly at that ratio. I mean, it is a good indicator, but I'll get into more detail about that. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions about investing in stocks, please leave them down below. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't do this professionally. I do this on the side. I just love to invest into companies, watch my money grow. I hate to have money in savings knowing that I could make more. I do have money in savings, but just, enough to, if anything happened, I'm good for about six months to a year. But besides that, I like to invest the rest. So that's what I'm doing here. I would have put more, but I didn't get paid this week. But I just really wanted to buy some stocks today. And again, you saw the ones that I purchased. If you have any questions why, I will try to start making videos on the particular stocks that I'm investing in, getting into more details of why most of them I buy purely because I like what they're doing, I like where they're going, their sheets look good, and then like how much money they're coming in, how much debt they have, so on and so forth. But then there are others that I have some hunches on. Again, you shouldn't always go on hunches. It's just overall, at the time I have, I use it the best way possible. I focus on some of my main ones, and then some of the other stocks that I purchase are a little bit less looked into, but still, I do keep an eye on them. So I don't just buy just because I think they're gonna do well, just in an instant. Again, I'll watch them for a long time. I'll look at the history, so on and so forth. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.